Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we're going to take a look at Windsurf AI. Windsurf is a dedicated AI-powered integrated development environment built around the agent cascade. Designed for full-stack development workflows, it goes beyond autocomplete tools like Copilot by embedding AI deeply into file management, command execution, and project-wide reasoning. It automatically uses your file system, terminal history, clipboard, and browsing context to generate debug and refactor code. It supports multi-file edits and live previews. It includes also the live deployment previews, natural language terminal commands, and auto-def tracking before approval. It uses Claude 3.5 Sonnet Super Complete for deep context understanding and autocomplete. The pricing starts from free with 25 credits a month, Pro $15 a month with 500 prompt credits, advanced features, and Team or Enterprise tiered pricing with team tools and priority support. Now talking about the cons, some users report long waits and disrupted coding flow during heavy cascade operations, reports of invalid file overwrites, context mismatch, and fewer polished features like hotkeys or granular undo. Users on free tier reported broken prompt credit allocations and unresponsive support. And following the acquisition by Cognition, some enterprise users expressed concern over integration changes and long-term roadmap uncertainty. So, Windsurf AI is a powerful agent-first coding environment that streamlines full-stack development with deep contextual awareness and automation. It's especially valuable for developers working across multiple files, terminal commands, or debugging complex systems. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.